Friends, I welcome you to this YouTube channel. Today, we are not going to discuss any particular topic. There are some questions which students are asking. I myself ask those questions. I myself will give you the answers. What commonly they ask now, sir, which is better? Or which is best? CA best or CMA best, sir? That is one common question which they ask. And secondly, along with BCom, we can study CMA. And then, sir, we go for work. Can we study CMA or CA? Which we can do it. Sir, I go for work. That practical training I can show for CMA practical training. The training which I undergo, the job which I undergo, whether I can give it for CMA practical training. These are the questions they ask, friends. Let me answer. So which is best? See, how can you differentiate? We cannot ask even that question because both are professional courses. Which is the best professional course? We cannot say. It depends. Each and every course is totally different, friends. Each and every course is best in their own field. For example, CA. CA, specialization in taxation and audit. CMA, specialization in finance and accounts. Finance account departments, they prefer CMAs. Taxation and audit, specialization, CAs, auditors. And okay, still they are not happy. Sir, which is the best? Come on, tell me, sir. I will tell you, CA is the number one. Even Prime Minister Modi addressed, I told you in the previous YouTube information, where he said, my signature, more than my signature, chartered accountant signatures, it has got a high more value. That is true. Even Rahul Dravid, when he said, when he opened a CA book, friends, CA book, then he decided, I can become the number one batsman in the world. That means, I don't know whether he meant the difficulty of CA level or not. That I am leaving it to you. But as far as we are concerned, no. CA is possible to pass. Yes, that is what we see generally as professors. Definitely possible to pass. Difficulty level, I am leaving it to you. It is possible for us. Once you give personal attention, constant test program, proper coaching, everything, make you motivated, you will pass, friends. And we will come back to CMA. That is our focused discussion today. Sir, CMA is the best in its own field. And because, in CMA, friends, along with BCom, can you do CA? My answer is no. Not possible. Because full-fledged attention you have to give for CA. So in which case, BCom with college you cannot do. Go to BCom by correspondence. That is better. You will do very well. And what about CMA? CMA definitely you can do. You along with BCom, you can do CMA. Or along with the CMA, you can do BCom. That is what I can tell you. Because BCom is only a side course, friends. But many of them, they think the CMA is a side course. What you are doing, BCom. Any other course, side I am doing CMA. No, CMA is a full-time course. You have to do a full-time course. It is a professional course. It is a professional course. That is why. But what I say, in case of CMA, BCom, morning college, evening college only. Therefore, the remaining timing, you can definitely do CMA, pass foundation, slowly group 1, group 2, likewise you can proceed. You can proceed. And moreover, in case of CA, 3 years compulsorily you have to go for articleship training. You cannot go for any work. But in case of CA, you can do CMA along with work. Depending upon your family situation, family problems, you can go for work and study CMA side by side. And one more advantage also, many employers they give. Once you join in the company, after BCom you join in the company, okay, they give a salary of 10,000, 12,000, 30,000, right? What they advise, how long you will be there in this company by sitting as a BCom graduate, by drawing the same salary. You do ICWA, that is CMA, you will get promotion. This is the information law. I hear a lot from the students. Sir, my employer says, how long you will be like this? Or do ICWA. Even you complete inter, I'll give you promotion. So therefore, join the job, do CMA, get promotion inter, then go for final. Even many of student friends, after completing inter, they go for job. Along with the job, they study CMA final. But my advice is CMA is a full-time course. That is best, friends. After BCom, you are going for CMA means full-time you study, friends. That means, sir, full-time, morning 2 hours I go for class, sir. 2 hours if I study enough, no, remaining full-time waste, sir. What I am doing, please tell my job. Or what I used to say, no, friends. If you want to pass CMA, full-time study. Full-time means, yes, take group 1. There are 4 papers, 4 subjects. Each and every paper you must allot 2 hours, friends. 8 hours you must allot. Then only you can pass. Otherwise it is not possible. Just turning up the pages and going through, no. And many friends, they are asking, sir, important questions. What? In case of professional course, I must tell you important questions, sir. Is it BCom? If anybody says, I will tell you important questions, concentrate and go. No. They are making you fools. Not at all possible. You have to study each and every topic, friends. You cannot omit anything. If you omit any particular lesson, that lesson only will come in the examination. So full time you have to study, friends. If you are taking both the groups, minimum 10 hours you have to study, friends. Morning 2 hours for class, evening 2 hours for class. That is why even classes are divided. Morning batch, evening batch, weekend batch. It is being given like that, friends. So that it will be highly beneficial for you. So along with the job you can do. Full time if you do, that is better. That is better. Always. And even one more aspect also there. CA means 3 hours, 3 years practical training. But in case of CMA, friends, you go for a job. There, either 6 months or 15 months, depending upon your date of entry into CMA, inter, accordingly 6 months or 15 months practical training you have to go. In which case, the time duration of the work that you undergo in a company, that itself can be shown as practical training. That itself, 6 months you are working in a company, show that as an employment certificate, fill up the form, send it to institute approves. Or you have completed 15 months of training. Yes, 15 months of working experience can be shown as training. But in case of CA, no. 3 years compulsory practical training with a practicing chartered accountant is a must. In which case, CMA is better, no. Now, I am talking about CMA. I am not comparing with CA. So, these are all which you can do, friends. That is what I have almost answered all the questions, friends. Yes, job with CMA, but pure CMA along with the college you can do. It is possible. But one thing, when you are doing BCom along with the college, friends, BCom in a college with the CMA means total focus you must give for CMA. And one more thing, when you do CMA, friends, all the subjects of BCom is coming in CMA. Doing BCom, completing BCom will become very easy, friends, for you, and you can secure even 70% or 80%, friends. It is possible. Yes. So with this, friends, I have answered almost all the questions which you expected me to answer. Yes. And if you are satisfied with my conversation with you in English, please subscribe this YouTube channel. All the YouTube channels, I speak in Tamil. Tamil கூட சொல்லக்கூடாது ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், தமிழ் கோர்ட்டே சொல்லியாச்சு. மதுரை டிவிஷன் ஆஃப் தி மெட்ராஸ் ஹைகோர்ட், தமிழ் ஆர் இங்கிலீஷ். இங்கிலீஷ் தான் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் சொல்ல முடியும், இங்கிலீஷ். ஸோ போத் ஃபார் தி அட்வான்டேஜ் ஆஃப் சென்னை ரெசிடென்ட்ஸ், தமிழ்நாடு, த்ரூ அவுட் இந்தியா I give, friends. And if one more thing, you press the alarm button so that your subscription will take place, and also you press all the top of this YouTube channel. All my YouTubes will come to you. It's every YouTube information is very useful to you, friends. I am not trying to make some any other pressure or other things, friends. It's for huge benefit. And you can ask questions also. When you ask questions, I will answer those questions also like this. When your questions, I will take it as my questions. I ask questions, I will answer. That mode also I can help you. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you. I am Professor Dr. K.N. Ramaswamy.